Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2015 Toyota Sienna LE. This is an 8-passenger V6 minivan in black, driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features of this Sienna includes a hood deflector. Also get power sliding doors, roof rails, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. We also have power sliding door buttons, which we'll get to in just a moment. Pressing the unlock button once for the driver's side. You can see you do have heated mirrors with this Sienna. Taking a look inside the door here, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. We have some storage space that runs along the entire side of the door there. Next to the door, you have a little extra storage compartment as well, and you can turn your power door off in the back. This Sienna comes equipped with all-weather mats and light gray cloth seating. And on the bottom, you have your power seating adjustment buttons. We got our key here. We're going to start this Sienna up. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, on the left side, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. You have audio controls on the left and right side. On the right side here, you have the display button, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. And while we are up here, you can see the Sienna has 106,185 kilometers on it. Lastly, behind the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. Moving on to our screen right now, we are on the audio sources. You can see you have your standard AM and FM options, as well as a choice between USB, CD, auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. Now if we go into reverse, there's that backup camera for you. You get these nice little guidelines as well. Now if we go home, on the left side, it'll show your trip information, and on the right side, it'll show any audio that's playing. You can also press that, and that will enlarge. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a tri-zone system, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well, and you also got this dial on the bottom here for those rear passengers. Underneath that, you'll find your USB and auxiliary, as well as your 12-volt outlet. You have your driver and passenger heated seats. If you press that, you got 2 cup holders that come out for you. We got some storage space underneath here and on the bottom. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have power sliding doors, so all we got to do is just hold that left button on a key fob for the left side, and that'll open for us nice and easy. Taking a look inside here, you can see we are continuing with the all-weather mats and the light gray cloth seating. If we look a little closer behind the front passenger and driver seats, we have these little extra storage compartments. In between the 2 seats, the rear passengers also have their own cup holders, and we can fold these seats down. All we got to do is just pull this little handle. Seats fold down, slide them forward, and that gives you access to your 3rd row seating. Now to access the cargo of the Sienna, we got a button right under the Sienna emblem there. Opening that up, you can see there is plenty of storage space in the back here. You do get an extra little seat here that goes in between the 2 seats in the 2nd row there. We can always fold these seats down as well. Just got to pull on this handle, and the seats come folding down, giving you plenty of storage space in the back here. And of course, like I mentioned, the 2nd row seating does fold down and slide as well. That'll give you that extra bit of room. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your 8-passenger capacity seating, tri-zone climate control system, and driver and passenger heated seats. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on a corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.